Okay, so for today, we went over how to use that TVM solver. And if you missed that, you can get one of those, the TVM solver on Schoology in the yellow folder, or you can use that solver that's on a TI-84 calculator. And then we're going to be going over this worksheet right here tomorrow. And then you have to do this worksheet as your final project. Okay. One of the things that you had to do was pick a job and figure out how much money you made. Raise your hand if you've already got those done. You picked a job and you know how much money they make. All right, cool. That's the thing you need to start your project. Then you need that calculator I just taught you. And again, if you're just listening to this video, you should go back and watch the other video that I have posted on how to use the TVM solver. You want the calculator up while that video is going, or you're just going to be lost. All right, then you fill out this worksheet and you get all the way to the end of it. The end of it is right here. And it's got that same like little screens that we were just looking at. And you should be able to at this point do it. But I am going to go over it again tomorrow. I'm going to actually go through this worksheet all the way. And then, that's not tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually a mass day. The next day, Thursday, I'm going to go over it one last time. And then on Friday, we'll have a work day where we work in class on this, you individually working on the project, and then you turn it in on, does this class meet? I think it meets Monday, but not Tuesday of next week. Because you know how next week, I don't know if you know this yet, but next week on Monday and Tuesday, you only see your classes once on those 2 days. Like you'll see me on Monday, but you won't see me Tuesday. And then that's it. Wednesday's a mass day, and the only reason you'd have to come in is if you're like, you've been sick and you missed a test or you got missing work. I'm not going to make you come in to do a missing worksheet. Okay. Now, if your grade is really low because you have a lot of missing things, you may get invited to the last mass. I strongly recommend you get a bunch in. Show me some effort. I won't send you the nasty gram that you got to come in on the last Wednesday. But if you have a whole bunch of things missing and your grade's way lower than it should be, plan that I will be inviting you into mass on that very last Wednesday. Okay, so that was today, basically helping you understand better how to use that TVM solver. You can start this worksheet now, and if you need any help on it, let me know. And then I'll be going through it very thoroughly on Thursday, this worksheet that you see on the screen. All right, that's all I got for you for today.